All right, everybody, we're doing a quick video on installing the Iron Cross Automotive Nerf bar tube step bumpers on a GMT 800 2000 to 2006 Chevy Tahoe.
No, you probably won't want it either, so...
All right, everybody, we're doing a quick video on installing the Iron Cross Automotive Nerf bar tube step on a GMT 800 2000 to 2006 Chevy Tahoe. It's my brother's Tahoe, old blue. I want to tell you, the instructions in these are pretty much completely unusable. But real quickly, this bracket mounts like this. On the back of the Tahoe, by the rear C-pillar, rear door cutout, the bracket has to go like this to give you the adjustment to move the tube forward and back. And that is the only way to space it enough so that the tube step fits properly. So it's going to go exactly like this. This bracket to the back, this bracket to the front. And if you live in somewhere that's not the rust belt, probably comes off easier. All right, here's our front mount. This one's a little crooked. We're gonna have to live with that. This truck was in a minor accident years ago. See, we live in America's corrosion capital, Ohio. I'll show you how this bracket mounts. I pilfered this lower mount cup from my 88 GMT 400, and we're going to use that to replace using their hardware kit. We're going to replace the old forward body mount bolt that came out. Put all this together, mount the bracket up to hold this. You can see the quality of our workspace. We're in the grass. That's what the assembly looks like before it goes back up on the truck. Pads back in, everything's lined up by some miracle. We are now 3 for 4. This can be adjusted in and out if need be to get it right in the body line. Amazingly, this is my brother's truck. You can see we've got tried to run them as nice as I could. Got new brake lines. It's got new fuel lines. That's how the forward one, remember the forward ones are these little narrow ones. The L-shaped ones go to the rear. We'll see that in a second. Big hello to all the southern people who do how-to videos or go, hey man, this here is just a 15-minute job. This ain't that kind of rodeo, Haas. We're up in the Rust Belt. 15-minute job can turn into 3 days of swearing and bleeding all over your car. So yeah, not here. All right. Don't judge me, all right? Dad and I just finally got this freaking bolt out. It had seized itself completely, rounded the head off. 3 came out perfectly. The last of the 4 decided to be an Ohio bolt. Gonna have to weld up that hole in the floor. Couldn't get any, had to get access at it. Freaking bolt finally fell out. Yeah, it's been an ordeal. Welcome to Ohio. Okay, here's our bracket. Its final position. We were able to actually drill the bolt out and get some threads on it. Rethread the nut inside the frame, so we're back in business.